Did you know that salt, something we use every day, was once as valuable as gold? It's true. Salt has a rich history and was even used to protect against bad energy. But what if I told you that salt could do more than flavor your food? What if it could help bring wealth and success into your life? In this video, I'll share 3 ancient salt rituals that can attract money and prosperity. Stay with me to learn how this simple ingredient could change your life for the better. And if you stay until the end, there's a bonus ritual specifically designed to help you become a millionaire. Ready to uncover these ancient secrets and change your financial future forever? We will explore how these sacred rituals based on ancient wisdom can unlock new opportunities and dramatically change your finances. Think about a simple grain of salt. It seems like nothing special, but it has the incredible power to transform your life. For thousands of years, people around the world have recognized the healing and energetic properties of salt. In Buddhist teachings, salt is more than just something you add to food. It represents cleansing, protection, and attracting positive energy. These salt-based rituals, rooted in spiritual traditions, might be what you need to attract financial abundance into your life. Let me take you on a journey where a simple, everyday item becomes a powerful tool for wealth. You'll be amazed by what salt can do. It's interesting to think that salt was once as valuable as gold. Yes, really. This white crystal, which we now see as just a seasoning, was the reason for wars, shaped trade routes, and even influenced entire kingdoms. Salt was not just a kitchen spice, but a valuable treasure, a symbol of purity and preservation. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating history of salt and learn how a little pinch can change your life. You'll learn to use salt to attract healing, cleanse your space, and most importantly, bring financial abundance and success. Get ready to be amazed by the ancient secrets of salt, and discover how they can enhance your modern life. Across many cultures, salt is valued for its mystical properties. It is said to transform energy and change the course of our lives. Imagine a world where this humble crystal becomes a powerful tool, cleansing, protection, and abundance. Let's explore the fascinating world of salt and learn how to use this ancient mineral in our daily lives for more balance and prosperity. Get ready to attract the wealth and abundance you deserve. Salt has a special place in almost all major world religions, recognized for its purifying and sacred qualities for thousands of years. In the Bible, Jesus mentions salt more than 40 times, showing its spiritual importance. The Catholic Church uses salt to make holy water, symbolizing purification and protection. This simple substance, found in our kitchens, actually holds deep spiritual meaning. Beyond its use in cooking, salt is seen as a powerful spiritual tool that can cleanse the soul and attract positive energy. For thousands of years, salt has been more than just a seasoning. It has been a mystical ally, powerful protective property. Imagine ancient Egyptian pharaohs burning salt to keep away evil spirits before a journey. This sacred ritual, meant to create invisible barriers against negative forces, has been used in many spiritual practices around the world. Even today, salt is valued for its power to purify and protect. Join me in this ancient tradition and learn how you can use salt to protect your energy and attract positivity into your life. Together, we will explore 3 sacred rituals designed to bring wealth, success, and abundance into your life. Rooted in ancient wisdom and enriched with modern techniques, these rituals offer powerful tools to change your financial reality. The first ritual, salt bath for wealth. The first ritual is simple yet powerful, taking a bath with salt and hot water. Start by choosing pure sea salt, preferably unrefined, and add about 1 cup 250 grams to a bathtub filled with hot water. If using a smaller container, around 50 grams of salt will work. Create a calm atmosphere with candles, soothing essential oils like lavender or incense, and soft music. Before you get in, set your intention by visualizing negative energy leaving your body and wealth coming to you. Step into the water, fully submerging if possible, and let the salt cleanse your skin and mind. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and think about these affirmations. I am attracting abundance and wealth. Every day, new financial opportunities come to me. Money and success flow to me easily and effortlessly. I deserve to live a life of abundance. I am open to all the riches the universe offers. I bring prosperity into all parts of my life. Write in the comments which affirmation inspired you the most. Stay in the bath for at least 20 minutes to let the minerals soak into your skin and refresh your energy. After the bath, rinse off with warm water and apply a moisturizing lotion or body oil. Take a few minutes to sit quietly and think about your experience, and write down your thoughts in a journal to track your progress. Sea salt, rich in essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, not only cleanses your skin but also balances your inner energy. By adding this ritual to your weekly routine, you invite positive energies and wealth into your life. Turn your bath into a sanctuary of peace and prosperity, and let the magical power of salt guide you to a more abundant life. The second ritual, salt for cleansing your home. The second ritual involves placing salt in certain corners of your home or office. Did you know that putting salt at the entrance of your home or office can attract good luck and keep negative energies away? This ancient ritual, practiced for centuries, is a simple but effective way to cleanse your space and invite prosperity. To do this ritual at home, choose sea salt or Himalayan salt, as they are considered purer and more powerful than refined salt. First, clean the entrance of your home or office thoroughly, removing dust, dirt, and clutter to allow positive energy to flow freely. Then, set a clear intention, imagining wealth, good luck, and positive energy entering your space. You might say an affirmation like, I bless this entrance to attract wealth, protection, and good luck. After setting your intention, pour a small amount of salt into a bowl or dish and place it at the main entrance of your home or office. You can also sprinkle a fine line of salt directly across the threshold of the door. To enhance this ritual, you might add a small cleansing ceremony like using sage or incense to purify the space. Light the sage or incense and wave the smoke around the entrance while repeating your intention. To keep the ritual effective, replace the salt every 2 weeks or after any major event. Dispose of the old salt and replace it with fresh salt, in a place where it won't be disturbed or spilled. If you want a more discreet option, place the salt in a small decorative container that matches your decor. Salt is known for its cleansing and protective properties, absorbing negative energies and neutralizing harmful influences, creating a space where positive energy and good luck can enter. This ritual also shows your commitment to keeping your space sacred and balanced. Write in the comments, my home is filled with positive energy. I attract good fortune. If there are specific areas in your room or office where you feel negative energies, you can perform this ritual in those specific places for better results. Start by taking deep breaths to relax, focusing your mind on the intention to cleanse and transform your space. Imagine each inhale bringing clarity and peace. Fill a clear glass 1/3 full with salt, imagining the salt as a crystal of purity. Then slowly add water, watching the salt dissolve and create a cleansing solution. Place this glass in a spot in your home where the energy feels heavy or stuck, and repeat these affirmations. I cleanse this space to be filled with peace, happiness, and harmony. I bless this room to welcome love, creativity, and positivity. I dedicate this place to prosperity, success, joy, and personal growth. I fill this environment with positive energy, vitality, and well-being. I make this space a sanctuary of calm, healing, and renewal. Write in the comments which affirmation inspires you the most. Leave the glass in place for at least 24 hours. After this time, check the water. If it is clear, your space is cleansed. If it is cloudy, repeat the process by renewing the salt and water every 24 to 48 hours until the water stays clear. This ritual not only removes negative energies but also transforms your space into a sanctuary of well-being. Use this simple practice to nurture and harmonize your space, helping you on your path to a balanced and abundant life. The third ritual, salt in your wallet. The third ritual involves placing sea salt in your wallet or pocket. Keep negative vibes away and attract money and prosperity. Start by choosing sea salt or Himalayan salt, known for their strong energy properties. Then get a small cloth pouch, preferably made from natural materials like cotton or linen, to hold the salt. Once you have your materials, take a moment to focus on your intention, imagining money and abundance coming to you easily. Repeat the affirmation. This salt attracts money and prosperity into my life. Fill the pouch with a small amount of salt while keeping your intention in mind. Secure the pouch and place it in your wallet or pocket. Every time you open your wallet or reach into your pocket, let this ritual remind you to stay open to the financial opportunities coming your way. Change the salt in your pouch every 2 weeks, thanking the universe for the prosperity already present in your life. These rituals, based on ancient wisdom, can open the doors to abundance and prosperity, using the simplicity of salt as a tool for change. And for those who stayed until the end, here's your exclusive bonus ritual, the Millionaire Salt Ritual. This ritual is designed for those aiming to become millionaire. For this ritual, you will need 3 things: sea salt, green candle, and a coin. Start by creating a sacred space where you can perform this ritual without being disturbed. Light the green candle, a symbol of wealth and prosperity, and place it in front of you. Then, place a small pile of sea salt on a dish and hold the coin in your hand. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and imagine yourself surrounded by luxury and abundance. Imagine money flowing into your life easily. Rub the coin in the salt, thinking about it, absorbing all the wealth and prosperity you want. Repeat the affirmation: I am attracting wealth and prosperity. Money comes to me easily and abundantly. I am worthy of all the riches life has to offer. Place the coin next to the candle and let the candle burn down completely. Once the ritual is done, keep the coin in your wallet or pocket as a charm for wealth. Whenever you need a boost of financial luck, repeat this ritual with a new coin and fresh salt. These sacred rituals, passed down through generations, are powerful tools for changing your financial reality. Don't underestimate the power of salt. It might just hold the key to your financial transformation. Include these rituals in your daily life and watch as money and success come to you easily. Thank you for joining me on this journey to spiritual wealth and abundance. May you always be surrounded by blessings and prosperity. Until next time, stay blessed and prosperous.